All right. For the next reaction, we call it cyanohydrin formation. So basically, we it's another carbon type nucleophile. The first one you have seen a Grignard reagent, so adding carbon on a carbon chain, right? So we have a cyanide, which is also a carbon source, add on to aldehyde or ketone. Okay, the product so have water, have cyanide, so we call cyanohydrin. Anyway, here's how reaction works. Super simple. SN2 reaction, nucleophilic attack. And then you know what to do with that negative charge. Well, protonation. Okay. Now a little bit detail. So the source of acid. So of course we add sulfuric acid, just a small amount, right? Or it could be para-toluene sulfonic acid, and but it's just small amount. The base in the reaction will go grab that acid, become protonated first. That's the reason why I use hydrogen cyanide instead of sulfuric acid in here. Okay, and there's no water, so yep, that's your only base is cyanide ion. Here we go. Now, cyanide ion grab the acid and you become hydrogen cyanide. So that's your source of acid. Another leveling effect. Okay. All right. So a little slight small thing you should know. So small aldehyde ketone are usually more reactive because just less sterically hindered, and the equilibrium will favor the formation of the product. For example, acetone 78% right here. Okay. And one thing you should be aware, aldehyde and ketone are prochiral. This carbon right here are prochiral, which means that after the before the reaction, of course, it's not chiral. This sp2 carbon. See that? But after the reaction, cyanide attack, you get a chiral center. Okay, so racemic mixture involved in here. So be careful. If you generate a chiral center, you will get enantiomers. Okay, and that's a chiral center. All right. Why do we learn this reaction, cyanohydrin formation? Well, this reaction will set you up for the next chapter, where we'll take cyanohydrin and then make either amine or carboxylic acid. All right. So this reaction is discovered by Arthur Lapworth. I think that's how he said. I don't know how to say his name. Okay. But anyway, so that's he's the first founding father of this reaction. All right. So we got two more reactions to go. Next one, Vidic reaction.